Hi, my name is Stephen Hoggle. I've been using Pulse Marketing, and some of the things I like is that these guys are car guys. They're car guys that understand the car business. They're very passionate about their work, and they produce us a lot of results. I get 10 to 15 different calls every day from direct mail guys saying, we've got something different, this is the next new thing. But with Pulse, they really stand behind it, from their BDC making the calls and setting the appointments to guys like JB following up on their sale. That makes it really convenient for a guy, and I'm sure just like you guys, they're busy, non-stop. You got 20 different people asking you 20 different questions all the time. JB streamlines it, and so does Pulse. They deliver the results on a timely manner. I can always count on them. And what I like about this thing is consistent. They're up. They've got the latest in technology. They know what brings the customer in there. They're always on top of their work. It's not one of those fly-by-night deals where you call a guy after the mail's dropped, you don't ever hear from him again. And that's what makes them great. It's their passion for their work. If you're looking for a relationship, us car guys are big on relationships with a customer, and we always preach that to the sales guys. Well, one thing you can get a relationship with is with Pulse. They care about your business, they're passionate about their work, and they want to see you succeed. So if you're looking to build a long-term relationship with somebody that's great as far as the advertising goes, go with Pulse.